Is your Canon camera's flash popping up at the wrong times or not firing when you need it? Flash settings can be tricky, but changing them is fast and simple. Whether you want to enable or disable the flash, I'll show you how to do it in just seconds. Let's get that flash working the way you want. Method 1. Flash control. First, turn on your camera, then press on the menu button. Now scroll all the way down. Here you will see flash control option. Tap on it. Here you will get flash firing option. Tap on it. Here you will get two options, like enable and disable. If you want to enable, then select enable. If you want to disable it, then select disable. Method 2. Using a button. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Flash control is only available in these modes. Now click on the red camera icon. Then if you just simply look at your camera, you'll see a button called WB. Then press on it. Here you'll see a bolt icon on the screen. Now use the arrow button to select this bolt or flash icon. Then press the set button. And here your flash is enabled. If you want to disable it, then again, press on the WB button. Now select other options except flash icon. I recommend selecting AWB, auto white balance. Then press the set button to save it. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, and goodbye for now.